back, friends. First of all, I have some good news for you. From time to time, I have been requested by many of my thousands of my YouTube subscribers, and I'm really so grateful to all of you all for all the encouragement you all have given me. My predictions, whatever I am able to do right, are entirely the product of your good wishes. There is all the hard work which I put in has got no value if your good wishes were not there. So it's entirely your. I give you 100% of the credit. 100% is to my YouTube subscribers. But I'm happy to also inform you that we are starting we have just started the Telegram channel where you can get regular updates from time to time during the day as well as market moving events take place, and many other updates which can tell you about the various moves of the market. So that's something which is interesting. You should subscribe to the channel, Telegram channel, and you will be getting an update also shortly. Plus there will be a link in the description box within about 15 minutes of the publication of this video, where you can go and click and you can join the Telegram group. Love to have you all as a part of the Art of Investing family. If you're still not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to both YouTube channel and Telegram channel. And a humble request that please do forward my videos to any WhatsApp groups or any people you believe would be interested in scientific investing. There's a lot of hard work, and I like to reach as many people as possible. There are very, very difficult and volatile days ahead, where there will be sharp upswings and sharp downswings taking place shortly, and you can benefit from the markets both ways. So you don't have to sit in a mutual fund or an equity market, and only when it's going up you benefit. You can benefit from a down market easily. That's what I'm going to cover in all my Art of Investing program and also in my Telegram channel. Dow looks a little weak as far as opening is concerned. Dow futures down 30 points. Unemployment data has been better than expected, but the losses have been capped by good results from Coca-Cola, from many other companies, and they are exerting pressure on Dow futures to not fall as much. The way I see the trading today is that a first hour could be little weak, and we could see negativity in the markets. In the American markets in the first 1 hour, say 9:30 to 10:30 New York time, could be negative. Markets could get much better thereafter, after some time. So we may in fact have a scenario where the markets turn much better, like an hour from the opening of the trading. Okay, so about 10:30 New York time, you can start seeing some much better rise in the Dow and positivity return in the markets, and then we could have a much smoother sailing thereafter. However, I must exercise a note of caution in the last 40 minutes of trading. So I would say about 3:20 p.m. New York time onwards till the close of trading, you can expect a sudden and a sharp fall in the American indices, Dow Jones, S&P 500 and NASDAQ. So be very cautious thereafter. So the way I would like to summarize the day of trading on the American stock markets today is that you find that the first 1 hour of trading will be rather difficult and negative. The last 40 minutes will be tough. And on the whole, I think the markets can get much better during the day. Positivity return in the American markets. And this is how I would like to sum up trading today, 22nd of October 2020. It's Thursday. And all the time that I mentioned is New York time, Eastern time, whatever way you would like to call it. We await also the presidential debate and the last one, and the stimulus outcome. These are all election uncertainty, and that is really wavering in the background. People are unable to decide which way the stimulus can go. Either way, we need to decipher. And I really, one thing before I end my video today, I was watching on a very popular business channel, and I would not like to name either the person nor the channel. This is not something I never like to say that. But the person was a very famous money manager, was asked, what do you think about the markets going forward? And these are the words he had to say. It really depends on how long the coronavirus vaccine takes. It depends on how the businesses change, how long the virus lasts, and how people react to it, and whether the stimulus comes, if at all, who becomes the president. And the virus has the efficacy that is desired by the investors, or is it less, or how long and how efficacious the virus is. So it depends on everything. Now, if you are an investor, if you don't know anything, any factor, then how are you going to invest? I mean, 15 minutes of precious prime time on television on Prime Business Channel, and person cannot say head nor tail. I do not say that I have a monopoly or wisdom, but if you have to make a judgment one way or the other. Now, I'm giving you, it may go a little bit here and there, but at least I'm putting in effort. You should appreciate it. As an investor, you need a guiding path. You need to know one way, which way the markets could be headed. If this little bit, if it wavers, I can understand. But if you are completely in the dark, you don't know what the hell is going on. The world is going to sink or it's going to go ahead. If you don't know when the virus will will be cured, when the vaccine will come, how the economy will change, how the world economy will change, how many businesses will remain, he's saying, I don't know anything. Then what are you doing there? This is the sad way in which people are functioning. Very sad for the business community, and also for the channels. They should be able to scrutinize the efficacy of the person himself, whether he can bring out something which is it like a financial entertainment that you're doing on television, that you come out and waste people's time. If you don't know anything, then okay, fine, I could be wrong in some ways, but at least I'm putting an effort. I've done my homework. I'm trying very hard. If there's something, there are some loose ends, then well, we go back and do our homework again. But I don't come and say that I don't know anything. I don't know how businesses will remain, which businesses will die, which will remain. Then how is an investor going to make a decision? And what is the investor doing? Is he just going to watch somebody with a suit and tie and have financial entertainment? No. Plus the fact that these mutual funds there's going to be a lot of volatility coming in global stock markets from here. You'll find that people are going to be beaten back, black and blue, because the markets are going to get very violent, both upside and downside. Unless you know how to navigate it, you will have a very tough time. You can make very good money, but you should know which way it is going. Various days and various periods will come where it will be going upside, various days going downside. If you're a smart investor, you should be able to make money both ways, not just one way and then go to sleep and don't know what's going on. So that's how I look at it. Every day presents an opportunity. Every day, I'm not saying that you should go and trade every day, but I'm saying that there are pockets of opportunity that need to be taken care of. That's how smart investors make money. Anyway, I think I've mentioned too much, and please do not mind my saying all these words, but it came from my heart and my brains both at the same time. So hope you have a nice day. My prayers to God, and don't forget to please forward my videos to whoever you believe can find it useful. WhatsApp groups or people who you believe are in the investing world, they are desirous to learn more about scientific methods of investing. So opening and closing sessions look to be tough in general on Wall Street today, and hope you guys have a great trading day, and I'll hope to see you soon once again. And don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel as well, and you'll get regular updates from time to time. We have just started it, and I want you to be among the first to join my Telegram group. Happy investing, have a nice day, and talk to you soon. Take care, bye-bye.